Welcome to the machine, or machines. We have a few. This is the machining and plating shop. We work with precision, perfection, on engine parts and others. We need the machines, and they need us. In here, we combine their strength and technology with our own expertise. We are the gears that help them repair and even manufacture essential parts of an aircraft, around 3,000 parts every month. I have been in this company for 15 years, and I am still in awe. The future is already here, and I witness it every day.